Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're making jalebis. I've listed all the ingredient details in the video as well as in the description box below. So first we'll prepare our yeast mixture, and for that we'll take 1/4 cup of warm water in a bowl. Next add a teaspoon of yeast and a tablespoon of powdered sugar. Give it a slight mix, make sure that you don't overmix it. Cover and keep it in a warm place for about 15 to 20 minutes so that it gets frothy. For preparing the syrup, take 2 cups of sugar in the pan. Now add in a cup of water and half teaspoon of cardamom seeds or powder. The moment sugar dissolves in the water, turn off the flame. Here the yeast mixture is flopped, now we'll be preparing our batter. Take 1½ cup of all-purpose flour and add in 1½ tablespoon of gram flour. Mix the dry ingredients well. If you're using powdered food color, make sure that you add it at this point. Add in a tablespoon of ghee and mix it nicely in the dry ingredients. Add in the fluffy yeast mixture and some water as per requirement. Gradually add in the water until we get a required consistency. Remember that the consistency of the batter should neither be flowy nor so thick. While you'll be doing this, you'll feel like it's not working out, but just add in the water and keep mixing, you'll get the desired consistency. When the batter is just like you want, add in the required amount of food color. I used an orange and a red color for getting the right shade that I wanted. You can go for yellow or whatever shade that you want. Now shift the batter to a piping bag so that we could prepare the jalebis. Instantly shift the jalebis to the sugar syrup after frying. That's it for today. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn that black thumb blue. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.